1 minus 4 times 1 minus 4. Now, 1 minus 4 will give us what? Minus 3 times minus 3, because this will give us minus 3. This minus will cancel out this minus. 3 times 3 will give us what? 9. But this answer is very wrong. The reason why this answer is wrong is because we are going to use BODMAS. According to BODMAS, B stands for bracket, O stands for of division, multiplication. This is addition, multiplication, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. And when you are using this rule to solve this kind of math problem, we are solving from left to right. We are solving from left to right. So we are solving from left to right like this. Now, what are we going to do? First of all, we are going to solve this bracket first. If we solve this bracket first, then we'll solve the multiplication before the addition, subtraction, as the case may be. So our correct way of solving this will be like this. So 1 minus 4 1 minus 4. Now, first of all, we are going to do this. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Remember, there is an invisible multiplication. The reason why there is a multiplication here is because 4 is close to this parenthesis. This 4 is close to this bracket. So 4 is close to this parenthesis. When 4 is close to this bracket, it means we have to multiply it. That is what it means in mathematics. You get it? So please, if you are watching this video, you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Just like the video. Subscribe, please. Please subscribe. Now, 1 minus 4. So this, we have solved the bracket. So we put our times here. Then this 4. So we now have 1 minus 4 times minus 3. So we are going to do this first. We are times it first. So if we multiply minus 4 times minus 3, it will give us plus 12. So 1 plus 12 will give us what? 13. And this is our final answer. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to this channel and let's go together. If you have any challenge, any question in mathematics that you don't know about, drop it here and we are going to crack it together. Thank you for watching.